We'll do the thumb printing today. Take a white A4 size sheet. Along with this you need a brush, the poster colors, take some water and palette or a plate. You can also keep tissue paper to wipe the hands. Now take the poster paint, dip the brush in, apply the paint on the child's thumb. Apply it fully, only on the thumb. Apply it completely. Now we'll make an impression. Help the child to press the thumb onto the paper. This ink goes easily. After that you can wash the hands and also wash the brush. It's gone, the ink doesn't stay. Now we can take a different color. We'll take another color. Again, apply the ink on the thumb. Apply it completely. Like this. And then this time we'll give the impression straight. So the child needs a help. Like this. Now again wash the hands. After each time it's better to wash the hand and the brush so that the colors does not mix. Wash the child's hand. Wipe it. We'll take one more color. Dip the brush and apply. We'll place it again. Now horizontally. Wipe and clean the brush. We'll take one more color. We'll take red and apply. We'll put it like slightly in a slanting way. Press the fingers and wash. We'll do one more. We'll take the brown color and apply it. We'll put it this way. The same color you can use once more. Put it like this. Now wash the hands nicely. Keep the water and the brush aside so that it doesn't spill on the paper. Wipe the child's hands. Close and keep aside all the paints. You can use the palette to mix if you feel the ink is very thick. So in that case you can dip the brush, drop the paint in this, add some water and mix if it is thick. If not, you don't need it. Now we'll see what has to be done next. Once this is done, we'll draw. You take a sketch pen, a black sketch pen, and draw the outline. This also you can hold the child's hand and help the child do it. Draw the outline like this for all the print. This is still not dry, but still you can, however, draw the outline. Once this is done, now we can make the shape out of it into different creatures. Here you can draw the eyes, mouth like this, and then you can draw the fin. So this becomes a fish. Now here again draw the eye to the left hand corner. From the inside take the beak up like this. You can have a small wings here. Tail, a small tail, and then the legs. So this becomes a bird. Now here on the green you can just draw the stripes on the top. Mark circle or square inside. Allow the paint to dry before you do this so that it doesn't spread. Now from here just take an extension of the neck and the face. And a tail. This becomes like a turtle. Now for this you can make it a ladybug. So make a head outside like this. You can fill it up. And then draw the body, put dots on the body, and then the legs. You can make this as a spider. the eyes. Finally, we'll do a bunny. Draw the ears up. This is still wet. The eyes, the mouth. You can put its hand in the front, the leg part, and then the legs. Now, the child definitely needs your help, but see that you support the child to do independently and let the child identify the creatures. I've done it roughly. You can see one more image here. So in this you can find much more. You can see the face of elephant with the trunk, a cactus here, and the pineapple. So using this thumb printing technique, you can help the child do the activity. It helps the child in getting good fine grip of the fingers, as well as learn the concepts easily. It's something like learning by doing. Thank you.